Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another segment of Spot the Difference! Yay! In Spot the Difference, we basically compare two or more products. Can be a brand to a brand, a product to product, a hack to a hack, anything under the sun. For today's video, we are going to compare our lips that has a lip liner and without a lip liner. Our lips wouldn't be complete without a lipstick, so we'll also do a review of the newly launched Lustrous Matte Lipsticks by BYS Cosmetics and Nadine Lustre. And if you want to know more about this product and the technique, then please keep on watching. Of course, before anything else, we are going to prep our lips using the Maybelline Baby Lips and a toothbrush. Actually, you can use other lip balms that moisturize the lips. This helps remove the excess dead skin. To finish it off, we will be using a tissue to remove it. Now that my lips are dry, not too dry, healthy and moisturized, we are going to start now with lipsticks. We will start first with the lipsticks, just the lipsticks. This is the Lustrous Matte Lipsticks. This is the collaboration of Nadine Lustre and BYS Cosmetics. For 999 pesos, you already have a chic box, 3 bullet matte lipsticks, and a lip brush. Separately, the lipstick costs for 399 pesos. They also have the moisturizing or non-matte lipsticks, which is the same price, and the velvet liquid lipsticks, which costs at 449 pesos each. But we will see first if it is smart to buy them all or not. Could you imagine if you buy them separately? The bullet lipsticks will cost you 1,197 and the velvet liquid lipsticks will cost you 1,347 pesos without the box and without the lip brush. So without further ado, we are going to lip swatch all of the shades first without lip liner. This is one swipe and I look so pale. We'll do another swipe. Okay, there you go. I'm still pale. We'll do another swipe. Undeniably, it's creamy, but this is just one swipe. There are discoloration just like the Leo, so we'll put another layer. 2 swipes already good, but I want to be a little extra, so I'll add another layer. I love this color. One swipe still needs color. We'll do another layer. There you go. Now, I don't know about you, but all of the shades look so good on a morena like me. I mean, if you're already happy with this, then go ahead with your day. But if you want your lipstick to last longer, especially on meal dates, then you have to put some lip liner. In this video, we are going to use the Makeup Revolution lip liner in the shade Highness. But I also recommend the Detailed Makeover lip liners. They are so affordable and it has great quality. To start it off, we are going to outline our lips. Because lip liners helps you guide on where to put and how far your lipstick should be. I usually start from the bottom to top so it would look fuller. Another tip for smaller lips, you may want to try to put the lip liner a little over the lip line, just so it would create a shadow to your lips, making it natural. You don't want to overboard and overline them. Once you have created the outline, we are going to fill it. Fill it all. The lipsticks would cling to the lip liner, making it last longer from day to night. this can pass as a lipstick already, right? You know, sometimes we don't have the time to retouch our lips, especially if we have a hot date. I mean, I don't want to leave that cutie alone. Do you? Going back to the Virgo, I think it's my favorite among them all. This is my favorite shade. This is the Virgo, and I must say from the Lustrous matte lipsticks, Leo is my least favorite because I look pale like after 2 swipes. Although the third one, it really looks good. It's just that you have to have at least this bold or loud eye look makeup so that wouldn't look pale. They really don't have pigmentation at your first swipe. You have to at least swipe it for 2 to 3 times, as you've seen it from the video. They're really creamy, so creamy. I love the colors. I'm a morena and everything looks so good. I think that's it. Bam! Fuller and bigger lips. Lipsticks that will last all day, every day. You can really see the difference from normal to lipstick with lip liner. And it's really a big difference. It's up to you if you're going to take it or not. And that is it for Spot the Difference. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this to a friend in need. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. We post there every day. Our Facebook is /drugqueens12 and our Instagram is @drug.queens. Let me know in the comments down below which drugstore products you want to be featured in this segment or any local brands that you may know. Hit me up. And I'll see you soon. Bye! I mean, do I look like Nadine now? As if.